Have you ever made stuffed mushrooms? Is it something that you used to?
Never.
Really?
No, to be honest with you, I've never really cooked much, hey?
Okay.
What are we gonna make today?
Listen, so this is kind of like a family favorite, or my kids really like it. So I'm kind of combining two dishes. This one today it's more like a linguine, or like I'm using linguine today. And then the mushroom is really sort of something my wife makes a lot. So I know it sounds very simple, and it is maybe, but it's basically a hollowed out black mushroom. And then we're gonna fry up some of the mushroom meat that we took out. Fry that up with some onions and garlic as well, and some peppers. Yeah. And I'm using bacon. I know initially I asked you to get some chicken, but you can use chicken as well, or ham. And,
yeah, we've got some ham.
Yeah, so just cook that up. And to that I add some cheese. You can use Parmesan, you can use mozzarella, you can use cheddar cheese. So, you know, any of those cheeses you can. So yeah. It's a dish that's got some rich, it's got quite a bit of acidity that I like. I like a bit of acidity in my food instead of just creaminess or rich flavors, you know. So that's kind of like the dish in a nutshell.
I've already chopped up some of the stuff, and I've even made it look kind of nice so far.
Yes, see.
Yeah, so you guide me now in the sense of how we're going to put this all together.
The first thing is to focus on the mushroom.
So we're going to start with the onions and the peppers and everything. Well, styling, yeah, not going to lie. What else did you throw in your pan there? Did you throw some of the mushroom shavings off in there?
Yeah, so I added now all the mushroom, the meat that I took out from the inside of the mushroom. I put it all in.
Yes.
So I'm just going to now add a little bit of salt and pepper. If your mushrooms are nice and soft, then you can you can start switching it off. Sorry, my wife must still record this. It's gonna take time.
No.
She's recording and grating cheese at the same time. It's not that easy.
Got some cheese in here. A little bit of Hellman's mayonnaise in there. Oh my word, look at this. It's looking so nice.
So while it's nice and warm, so what I do is normally I put a little bit of olive oil just over the mushrooms before I start stuffing. Fill that little cavity up with some of your mix. You know, normally we have this, you can have this with a nice little salad. You can chuck it straight into the oven. It'll be in there for about 10 minutes.
Going for a sous chef.
I'm gonna need some new stuff. That's a good idea.
He's been grafting in the background here whilst I'm basically just putting everything together. He's basically doing everything.
But it looks like he's enjoying it, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, it keeps me busy, which is nice.
I don't think he has much else to do, so he doesn't have a choice.
By now, your mushroom should be sort of close to being finished in the oven as well. Mine is like just about there. So you see, I've got the pasta here, then I'll just do sort of one mushroom there. I'll finish it off with some extra cheese and some olive oil.
That looks amazing. And voila.
Hey, lekker man. That looks good.
Look at that.
That looks
Look
good.
at that.
Listen, and let's have a taste, because there's I mean, the flavors I think of this is, it's simple, but it's so flippin' delicious.
It's so good.
That's flippin' nice.
It's amazing.
Even if I have to say it myself, that's good. That is very good. Give some to your mum. Let's see if she enjoys it. Hopefully she does.
She's already poked her nose in there a bunch of times. She's going to climb in soon, I promise you.